In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LearnDash with payment gateways such as Stripe, PayPal, and Razorpay. Setting up an efficient payment system is crucial for any online course platform, and LearnDash makes it streamlined and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully integrated payment option that's ready to start processing transactions smoothly. First, let's go through the steps to set up PayPal with your LearnDash LMS. Begin by navigating to the LearnDash LMS section within your WordPress dashboard. Once there, head over to Settings and then click on the Payments tab. Here, you'll see a series of payment gateway options available for use. Click on PayPal or the PayPal settings area, depending on what your LearnDash interface displays. Once you're in the PayPal settings, the first thing you need to do is enter your PayPal business account email. This email address is crucial as it ensures that all transactions are routed correctly to your PayPal account, allowing you to receive payments without any hitches. If you don't have a business account, it might be a good idea to set one up before proceeding. This enables more features and can improve security and professionalism. With your email entered, it's time to fill in some additional information. You'll need to add the country code, which helps PayPal know your account's region. This ensures that currency and payment details are processed correctly according to your location, effectively minimizing potential errors. Next, provide both a cancel URL and a return URL. These URLs are essential as they dictate where your users will be redirected after either a successful transaction or if they decide to cancel their payment process. The cancel URL is where users will land if they opt out of the payment midway through, while the return URL is the destination for those completed transactions, be it a thank you page or a course access page. Make sure these URLs are accurate and tested to maintain a smooth user experience. Now, let's discuss enabling IPN, which stands for Instant Payment Notification. This feature allows PayPal to communicate transaction details back to your site, confirming payments in real time. Depending on your LearnDash version, you may opt to enable IPN or use the more modern PayPal checkout. PayPal Checkout offers a more streamlined, integrated checkout process, which can enhance user satisfaction and potentially increase conversion rates. However, ensure it is supported in your version of LearnDash before opting for this method. Once everything is correctly configured, don't forget to save your settings. And there you have it. With PayPal connected to your LearnDash LMS, you're all set to start accepting payments from your course participants efficiently and securely. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance in tweaking your payment settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical guides on optimizing your online learning platform.